The proposal by Rep. Leviste na para ibaba ang VAT from 12% back to 10% is actually very tricky. Tayo ay isa sa mga may pinakamataas na VAT at 12% compared to neighboring countries na under 10% lang. Kaya this bill, hopefully makakatulong to sa mga poor and middle class families to have more disposable income and para bumaba rin ang presyo ng bilihin. Of course, this comes at a cost to the government in terms of revenue collection, up to 300 billion pesos annually according to the DOF. And pwede naman daw itong bawiin or mitigated by introducing land-based wealth tax. I don't know how they're gonna do that. And reallocating government funds like yung mga flood control projects na may controversy ngayon. This bill also has a safety net allowing the president to reinstate yung 12% VAT just in case na hindi ma-meet ang mga targets. And lastly, in all honesty, I think yung mga Filipinos willing naman sila to pay the 12% VAT as long as hindi lang kinukurakot ng mga government officials and the funds are being used properly.